Is there any possibility of survival if a person is sucked into an aircraft engine? Firstly, you need to stay absolutely calm and not panic, because such incidents do occur frequently. In 2015, aboard the USS Ronald Reagan aircraft carrier, during the startup of an FA-18 Hornet carrier-based aircraft, a ground crew member conducting routine checks was instantly engulfed by the powerful suction from the engine intake. There was no time for a scream before they were turned into a mist of blood. Simultaneously, this incident wrote off the engine, worth 10 million USD. Now, how powerful is an aircraft engine? Taking the Boeing 737 as an example, the intake capacity of its engine is 700 pounds per second. For the more advanced Boeing 777, the intake capacity of the engine reaches 3,100 pounds per second. This means that even a 1.4-ton